my name is Audrey and toykindom. Today we're gonna play with my slime today, and so we're gonna play with that. It's my favorite color. Purple is glitter. Look how it. Now we're gonna how it stretch. Yeah, it's so cool. Oh, now we're gonna see how it bounces. Oh, that bounced really good. Now let's make a bubble. Oh, it almost make a bubble, guys. Make one more time. Comment down below what's your favorite slime, kind of. You like glitter, you like clear, you like... Mine is clear. And you like metallic, you like milky, you like crunchy. That. Okay, let's make a bubble. Oh, okay. Oh, I can make with me. My LOL. I'm gonna put it right there. How about my put it right there. Yeah, we're gonna stop secretly. Let's see. I feel something. What's this? What's this? What is this? Wow! Like that? I want to do that. Okay. Wow, what's this? Wait, I think that I feel something more. Oh, I think this is the last one. What is it? Oh, it just make a bubble. No more. It's a pet, guys. It's matched with my pet. Actually, poop. Just kidding, this is a big song. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. I wish I could have 10,000 likes of this. So, bye guys, thank you guys for watching.